BMW M4. The new M3 is a 4DR saloon and will stay that way, so to fit with the new 4 Series, the M variant is now the M4. So what to make of this new M4? Well, it certainly still has the aggressive M-GmbH looks we all love, and there's no shortage of power. 431 bhp is enough for 4.3 seconds to 62 miles per hour. Thanks to downsizing, the 4.0 liter V8 is out and a twin-turbo 3.0 liter straight 6 is in, but this is sure to be one of the best handling cars of 2014, so we just can't wait to get behind the wheel. There's a carbon roof and ducktail spoiler along with swollen arches to distinguish this from lesser 4 Series models, and it looks great, especially in the launch yellow. Now we tell about Mercedes C63 AMG. The old Mercedes C63 AMG was a very popular car, but you could never really call it pretty. Purposeful, yes, but not pretty. So for the new model, Mercedes has decided to take the glamorous S-Class Coupe and stick it on a hot wash. But this is the C63's AMG, the top of the tree, so it has huge intakes, wider arches, bigger wheels, and oh yes, a 503 bhp 4.0 liter twin-turbo V8 giving serious performance and an even more serious exhaust. So let us watch drag race for these cars, whether BMW M4 or Mercedes C63 AMG that will win.